Absolutely. Here's a scrambled, natural, unsectioned YouTube review script for the Caterpillar 330D2L 2025, written with an engaging tone suitable for a voiceover or on-camera presentation. You're looking at the powerhouse of next-gen construction, the Shiu Caterpillar 330D2L 2025. At first glance, what really grabs your attention is that ultra-glossy signature yellow finish. It's sleek, modern, and somehow still screams heavy-duty. But it's not just about looks. This machine means business. Under the hood, the 330D2L 2025 packs a punch with a highly efficient and robust engine that delivers exceptional power while keeping fuel consumption surprisingly low. It's Caterpillar's upgraded solution for operators who need both muscle and finesse in a single unit. One of the biggest highlights: smooth hydraulics. Whether you're lifting, digging, or swinging, the controls respond with precision. You can feel the difference in performance even during heavy-duty cycles, especially in tighter spaces. The redesigned hydraulic system also boosts productivity without overworking the operator. Step inside, and you're greeted with a clean, ergonomic cabin. Caterpillar really listened to operator feedback here. The dashboard layout is intuitive, and the digital display is crisp, showing real-time performance data and diagnostics at a glance. The air conditioning is powerful, the seat is super comfortable, and visibility is spot on, thanks to large windows and strategically placed mirrors. What's also impressive is the build quality. Caterpillar didn't cut corners here. Every weld, every joint, every surface feels solid and premium. Whether you're working on a rough construction site or fine grading work, this machine holds up without a hitch. Another great addition is the Smart Tech integration. It's compatible with Cat Connect and telematic systems, meaning fleet managers can monitor fuel use, machine hours, and service schedules remotely. That's a big plus for efficiency and uptime. And let's not forget the servicing. Daily maintenance points are all easy to access, which minimizes downtime. Filters and fluids are all grouped together. No need to climb or crawl around to get to what you need. In real-world operation, the 330D2L 2025 excels in performance, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're in general construction, quarry work, or utility projects, this machine adapts with ease. You get consistent power, lower emissions, and a noticeably quieter engine, all while maintaining Caterpillar's legendary toughness. So, if you're in the market for a top-tier excavator in 2025, the Caterpillar 330D2L is definitely worth a serious look. It's not just an upgrade, it's a well-rounded evolution of one of Cat's most dependable machines. Let me know if you'd like a version tailored for a short-style script, with background music cues, or featuring camera shot directions.